Logan, come on.
Come outside, Logan.
Happy birthday, boy.
Presents.
What is that, Logan? What's under there?
A present for you.
A train? I don't know.
Open it, Logan.
Take the sheet off.
That's your present. That's for Loki.
Open it.
Take the sheet off.
Take the sheet off.
Here, watch out, Kayla. I can't see him.
Come here, Logan.
Take the sheet off.
Logan, take it off.
Here.
Take it off.
Here. Pull it. Pull this. Here, pull it.
Logan,
Pull it. Pull it off. Pull it off.
Now we
Pull it. Come on, pull it off.
Oh my goodness, what is it?
Now we know you can ride on it.
Here, pull it.
Now we know you can ride on it. Can we ride on it now so I can drive for him?
You're so nice to me.
Whoa!
Wanna take a ride, Logan?
What is it, Logan?
Wanna take a ride?
Oh, the battery has to go in there first. All right.
Put your seatbelt on. Wait, let him just sit in it, Kaylin.
Yeah, it's not quite there.
Uh-uh.
Cool toy.